So start with some Italian breadcrumbs, some cubed chopped salami. Spicy salami works really well for this recipe. Some provola or mozzarella and chopped parsley. Now some Parmigiano Reggiano, and you're probably saying cheese and fish, come on, that doesn't work with seafood. This works, totally works. Salt, egg, and olive oil. That's gonna help combine everything together, and a good splash of white wine. Mix it really well. Make sure all those ingredients combine, and stuff the calamari. Use a spoon, your hands, just jam it in there, whatever works, all good. And then with a toothpick, you just wanna kind of close the calamari, just thread that toothpick right over the top, and just keep going. Olive oil, make sure it's really hot, and then you wanna keep your garlic in camicia with the skin on, so the garlic doesn't burn and get bitter. Add in the calamari, and you know calamari takes no time at all to cook, literally a couple of minutes, about 2-3 minutes each side, and look at all that great sauce that's coming out. Add some parsley and cook until slightly brown, and if some of the stuffing comes out, it's just gonna add flavor to the sauce. Some white wine is gonna help deglaze the pan and also give that really good sauce. And this can work perfectly with spaghetti if you want, or just served on its own. Now look at that stuffing. Okay guys, buon appetito, this is a winner.